keep calm and wait for Mbappe to score. Being an optimistic Ronaldo fan, I would say 35 goals तो आ ही जाने चाहिए, and अगर top 4 पहुंच जाए तो मैं रो दूंगा. One thing which Manchester United fans hate most is that Liverpool winning the Premier League.
Premier League, La Liga, Champions League, Europa League, man, what a packed calendar. Ish, how do you cope up, yeah?
Hi Nidhi. So how do I cope up? Passion है यार, अपने आप हो ही जाता है. So I watch all the matches at night and I sleep in the morning when the world wakes up.
Ish, I know आपके और almost सबके favorite footballer रोनाल्डो ने किलियन एम्बापे को एक मैसेज भेजा था कि he is very excited to see Mbappe light up Bernabeu. But keeping everything in mind, if you were Cristiano Ronaldo, how would you feel about Mbappe's start in Madrid?
तो पहले चीज एज क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो जो मैं एम्बापे को बोलता ना, दैट वुड बी टाइम योर रन यार, बस तू ऑफसाइड मत हो, बाकी गोल्स अपने आप आ जाएंगे यार. सो दैट इज वन. Secondly, I would just say that I know it's a different role. He was used to playing as a left winger in PSG, but right now he's been, वो shift हो गया. He's playing as a number 9. So I would just want him to remember his days at Monaco. He was doing that in that team. So yeah, hopefully the things will turn up and just score against big teams यार. बार्सिलोना लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट तुमने अगर मार दिया ना गोल, अपने आप सारे क्रिटिक्स साइलेंस हो जाएंगे.
You're such a nice fan यार. वैसे fans कितने ruthless है एम्बापे को लेकर. Don't you think so?
Yeah, I know, but because he's a victim of his own success ना यार. He's done so much, achieved so much that the weight of the Real Madrid badge weighs heavy upon him. So yeah, everybody wants him to do well, and if he keeps on getting goals regularly, especially against smaller teams, so I think वो अपने आप ही things will get into place.
ईशा मैड्रिड से 1 पॉइंट पीछे है बार्सिलोना से ला लीगा में, and they also have a game in hand over the Catalans. What do you think? क्या chances लग रहे हैं रियल के for winning the title?
देखो, as a Real Madrid fan मैं तो बोलूँगा कि मैड्रिड ही जीत रही है, but I would say right now it is 50-50 because Barcelona on their day can beat any team in the world. Rafinha is in form, Lewandowski is in form, and that is a blessing for any team यार कि आपका striker और winger supreme form में हो. So अभी I would call it a 50-50, but with the hope कि भाई Real Madrid ultimately जीत ही जाएगी.
Eventually वो हो जाएगा कि अपनी इंजरीज बेटर कौन मैनेज कर रहा है, बार्सिलोना या रियल. एंड रियल में देखें तो असेंसियो हैज रियली स्टेप्ड अप. इतनी सारी इंजरीज हो गई, बट यू सी a 21-year-old really stepping up, and that's something.
Correct. 100% I believe that. And squad rotation becomes a very big part because number of matches have also increased. So players को recovery time भी कम मिलता है.
ईशा, लेकिन ये सब एक तरफ और रोनाल्डो एक तरफ. Am I right?
100%.
Yeah, he scored 15 goals for Al Nassr in across all competitions. और कितने ऐड करेंगे यार to his tally?
So अभी देखो, सऊदी लीग में अल नसर के अप्रोक्सीमेटली 22 मैचेस आर रिमेनिंग, एंड AFC चैंपियंस लीग में भी इफ दे कीप ऑन गोइंग दे विल प्ले अनदर 8 to 10 मैचेस. सो अगर मोटा मोटा इफ अल नसर इज प्लेइंग 30 मैचेस ना, तो बीइंग एन ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रोनाल्डो फैन आई वुड से 35 गोल्स तो आ ही जाने चाहिए. लेट्स होप ही रीचेस 450 गोल्स बाय द एंड ऑफ द सीजन यार.
लेकिन अल नसर अभी थर्ड है फिलहाल सऊदी प्रो लीग में, एंड इसे ये भी दिख रहा है कि रोनाल्डो को इनफ सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा है शायद. तो अगर आपको एक अटैकिंग प्लेयर को साइन करना होता इन द जनवरी ट्रांसफर विंडो, who would you sign and why is it Kevin De Bruyne?
See, it will be a blessing for any team to have Kevin De Bruyne in the squad, but somehow I don't see that happening in the winter transfer window. Maybe the summer transfer window. ऐसे तो मोहम्मद साला भी है that he's also a player who's running out of contract by the end of this season. So these are big names. Heung-min Son bhi hai, so these players can join, but somehow January window mein I don't see that happening. I see maybe a Casemiro joining in the January window if Saudi gives the right price to Manchester United, and वो Real Madrid teammates reunite हो जाएंगे अल नसर में.
Yeah, that would be very exciting to see, और काफी nostalgic भी होगा काफी fans के लिए, including me. Well, ये हमने रियल की बात कर ली, रोनाल्डो की बात कर ली. Now there's one missing link which I'm just coming to, which is obviously United, and that's bringing a smile to your face finally after all this time.
Of course.
First few wins under Amorim, one in Europa, one in Premier League. Very happy, no?
Very happy and still, excited but a bit nervous also, yaar, because again,
Why?
it's very early days and Ruben Amorim has come up with a new identity, a new structure, a new formation. Although I
Yeah.
see that the players are adapting to it, but abhi hamara test is yet to come in the month of December. Arsenal hai, City hai, Tottenham hai, all away matches. So let's see.
तो ये सब ध्यान में रखते हुए रियलिस्टिकली क्या लगता है, where do the Red Devils finish this season? Realistically, ईश, aspirations नहीं.
Aspirations तो नहीं, हाँ, I would say top 10. Top 10 is what we are looking at this season. And अगर top 6 हो जाए तो बहुत खुश, and अगर top 4 पहुंच जाए तो मैं रो दूंगा.
Yeah, by the way, Ish, are you a fan of Xerxes?
I am, yes. I think he brings that physicality element which you require in a striker these days, जैसे Erling Haaland है City के लिए.
Oh yeah, definitely. क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया पर तो फैंस बोल रहे हैं सेल हिम. फैंस
Yeah.
बहुत ठीक है क्या जज करने में, स्पेशली Xerxes को.
True. I think इसके दो points है. एक तो maybe they want Victor Gyökeres from Sporting to come to Manchester United.
Every United fan wants him. Let's be honest.
True. Even I want him. So maybe that is the reason why they are asking Xerxes to, they're asking United to sell Xerxes. That is one. And secondly, it is कि अगर तुम्हारे goals नहीं आते ना, so eventually मतलब वही होता है, goals आ गए तो is the best player in the world, नहीं आए तो उसको बेच दो. Everybody has become a bit impatient. But yeah, last match he scored 2 goals. He's proving the critics wrong.
But there's one person who is proving every single critic right, and that's Arne Slot. Because Liverpool is top of the table, 9 points clear. Top of the table in Champions League also.
Yeah.
कौन हो सकता है इन्हें फिलहाल?
अभी तो कोई नहीं दिख रहा ऑनेस्टली, मतलब क्रेजी फॉर्म चल रहा है चैंपियंस लीग जैसे आपने बोला, उसमें भी प्रीमियर लीग में भी. Arne Slot has beaten Pep Guardiola, Carlo Ancelotti, Xabi Alonso, Eric Ten Hag, Unai Emery, सबको हरा दिया, all the top managers in the world or all the top teams in the world. So right now it's very very difficult to stop Liverpool. मैं बस प्रे कर रहा हूँ इंजरी हो जाए उनके कुछ प्लेयर्स को, फिर थोड़ा का चांस हो.
एक जगह हम देख रहे हैं कि लिवरपूल बस एक विनिंग स्ट्रीक पर है और दूसरी तरफ मैनचेस्टर सिटी can't seem to secure a win.
This is a very new territory for us as football fans and of course of Pep Guardiola. But yeah, once you understand the reason why they are losing, I think मतलब you can see कि अच्छा इस वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है, because they are missing key players. The best player in the world, Rodri, he got injured, and उसी position पे उसका जो replacement था Kovacic, he got injured. Now your central attacking midfielder Gundogan is playing central defensive midfield. So they are struggling through a lot with injuries. Although थोड़ा मैं खुश भी हूँ कि चलो सिटी फैंस को भी देखने को मिल रहा है कि हम यूनाइटेड फैंस क्या बोलूं, कितने सालों से क्या स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे. बट या इट्स वेरी वेरी न्यू.
Well, it's very simple. अगर फैंस कुछ ज्यादा बोलेंगे तो Pep has just one answer.
या 6. बट या साइलेंटली वो लिवरपूल वर्सेस सिटी मैच में ना, मैं एक्चुअली मैनचेस्टर सिटी को सपोर्ट कर रहा था, जो कि मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि मैं कभी करूंगा, बिकॉज one thing which Manchester United fans hate most is that Liverpool winning the Premier League.
ईश साथ में अगर चेल्सी को देखे तो they are cruising to number 3.
Yeah.
How do you rate Enzo Maresca?
I think Chelsea has done quite well. जो उनकी philosophy थी that they bank upon the youngsters for this season, that is coming into light. All the players are performing. Nicholas Jackson is scoring. Cole Palmer is in supreme form. वो तो expected ही है Cole Palmer से. Cucurella left back, Caicedo right back. All are doing well. बीच में Enzo Fernandez is also scoring goals. He's controlling the game. So I think Enzo Maresca will be very happy with the team's performance. But उसने बोला अपने post match interview में that we are a good team, but we haven't reached the Arsenal, City, Liverpool wala stature yet. Hopefully we will soon. This is what
he's downplaying it. Let's be honest.
Getting into their heads. Yes, I agree.
But ईश क्या लगता है कि चेल्सी सेकंड पोजीशन पर फिनिश कर पाएगी?
अगर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड आर्सेनल को हरा दे कल, so then 100% possible है. But yeah, genuinely I think that Chelsea are in a good form. अभी उन्होंने एस्टन विला को भी हराया, which is a good side. So yeah, could happen, and we know that Arsenal कभी-कभी bottle कर देती है यार winning position से भी, कभी-कभी क्या I mean कर ही देती है.
तो हमारे पास अभी ईश की रियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो आ गई है अबाउट यूनाइटेड, चेल्सी, आर्सेनल एंड लिवरपूल. लेट्स फेस इट. लेट्स सी क्या होता है इस सीजन, एंड वील ऑलवेज कीप टॉकिंग फुटबॉल बिकॉज आई लव टॉकिंग फुटबॉल विद यू. सो थैंक्स सो मच ईश फॉर जॉइनिंग अस.
Thank you so much for having me, Nidhi.